So what do you do right after buying the iPhone? You just take a picture like this. I bought new iPhone. You will just post it in social media. The thing is, you will buy the iPhone, but you don't know like what and all exact feature is there, whether you can do it anything with this or what are the customization. You can change the wallpaper. You can't even set your own ringtone.
Brother, it's not a joke, brother.
There are some methods and ways to set your own ringtone on an iPhone. In this video, we will see how to do that. So setting a ringtone on an iPhone is not something that you can easily do. So I'm not talking about the ringtone that is already there, that and all. It is like your own ringtone from a song or something that you like to hear when you receive a call. First thing that you do is you need that ringtone in your mobile. So the method that I use is I have the Edge browser. So what I do is I'll just connect this device to the computer, and then I will enable the trust thing, and in my computer I'll open this iTunes. So here you have this device icon, right? There you can select, and in here you have the option called file sharing. Inside this you can have the Edge browser and you can paste your ringtone. So if you find it hard, you can just download the app called AirDroid, and in the laptop also you can open AirDroid, connect it to both in the same network, and here you can easily transfer the files over the wireless. But I already have this ringtone in my mobile, so now we will see how to proceed further. So first you need few apps. What first is GarageBand, so which is 1.4 GB something. You can download it from the App Store. This comes by default in the iPhone, and then this ringtone maker, which also you can download it from the App Store. Both are free. And this Magic Dice I just installed. I don't know, it asked sometimes, so it is not required, but if it asks you can install it. So first thing that you have to do is you need to open this ringtone maker. First what you need to do is you need to click this plus symbol, and here you have the more option. You can also use it, upload it from PC or something. This will provide you the FTP client, which you can put it in your how you can do is open Chrome and 192.168.0.104, and then you can give enter. So here you can select upload ringtone, and you can select navigate to that, and you can add it. So like that also you can do it. Both the ways you can do it. So now I already have it in here, so I'll click more and import from file. So I will click that one, and here I'll go to my on my iPhone. Okay, that option I will select on my iPhone. Here I have this Edge browser, and here I have that particular music, which I will select it. So you can see it is added. So now what I do, it is in MP3 format. So I'll just select and click on make, not make, click on clip, and make sure it is under 30 seconds, because that is important. Okay, so it is already in 30 seconds. I will click it on done. You can add fade in, fade out also. That won't be that is not a big issue. So here you can see it is in M4R option. So that is there. Now I click here and I will click it as make. So now here it is already showing the details. So from here what you can do is you can scroll down and click on the GarageBand option. So you need to open it through the GarageBand. So once it is there in the GarageBand, here you can see it is showing as waiting. So I'll delete this one, because that is old one which I have tried it. So from here you can see it is in GarageBand, it is showing. You don't need to open the GarageBand and make editing or something. You can just long press and select it as share. Okay, and here you can see the option to set it as a ringtone, that I can select it. It is as simple as that. So length will be adjusted to 30 seconds, which we have already checked it. And here I can select it, the name of the music is, I can set it as secret music, super secret ringtone or something. So I will just this one I have set it, and it is will be in my ringtone, your ringtones. You can even delete the old ringtone. So so now I click on export. So it is telling it is exporting now. Okay, now it is fully exported, so you can use here, or else you can directly go inside this one and sound and haptics. So now it is in reflection ringtone. So here I can see my super secret ringtone. So that's all. Now I have set my own ringtone. You can adjust the volume based on your need. So yeah, that's how you have to set the ringtone on the iPhone. So thank you for watching. Quote motto.